How to make the best Chana Masala chickpea curry. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 yellow onion diced, a little bit of serrano chilies or jalapenos, optional. Mix, add 2 cardamom. After a few minutes, add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, coriander, turmeric, garam masala, red chili powder, garlic powder, ginger, black pepper, ground mustard, and salt to taste. Mix. Add about half a cup of water, 2 tomatoes diced, 1 teaspoon curry paste, and mix. Cook for a few minutes and then smash tomatoes. Add 2 cups of water. Add 1 can of chickpeas. This part is optional, but I squeeze some lemon. Cover on high for about 12 to 15 minutes and smash some of the chickpeas. This will also let you know if the chickpeas are cooked. Cook for another few minutes if you want less water. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. I eat with roti and plain yogurt. Enjoy this yummy-licious meal.